Hi, everyone, and welcome to week 2 of Science Fiction and Fantasy. So this time we're going to be moving away from those proto-scientific fiction. Sometimes these works are called scientific fiction, and I always kind of trip up over that term. So we're moving away from the proto-science fiction works, and we are going to be taking a look at H.G. Wells' The War of the Worlds. Now, there are some people who will say that this is the first true science fiction book, or at least that Wells was the first true science fiction writer. And I want to point out that, no, he was not, because Jules Verne is writing before him, Mary Shelley is writing before that, and there are proto-science fiction works as well. But certainly Wells' book is quite important to the development of science fiction as a genre, and we're going to talk about alien invasions, about invasion literature on the whole, and also how this book continues to look at really intense questions. There is early ecology, ecological debates here. The Martians are terraforming our planet because their planet, they kind of used up all of their resources. That's something that's not often talked about with this book. Another thing to look for are the technologies used, and we will go into a little bit of depth about the science behind the science fiction, but also some of the historical background. And you'll get this week, not just me as a talking head, but also this great video from another professor where he digs into some of the aspects of this book that I just find really fascinating and really well done. So it's a little bit of a guest lecture spot this week. So that's what to look for. You can, this time, if you want to watch the summary video, you can. It gives a little bit of background about the author and the history. If you just want to watch up to that point and not get the spoilers of the actual plot points, that's fine too. You can do either one. That's it. If you have any questions, you can email me. Thanks.